incredibly useful.
Nachole Johnson.
Incredibly responsive.
I am grateful for you, Nachole.
I really enjoyed the instruction.
When you're using YouTube for your business, that you really shouldn't focus on how many subscribers you have, because it doesn't matter, because you are talking to your people.
Thus far this week, I have to say that I feel like I'm more prepared to than I have been before to actually go forth and actually do the YouTube. I am grateful for you, Nachole, for sharing with us your advice, your education, and everything to help other businesses and other people that may have trouble just moving and getting off to a good start with using YouTube as our main funnel. And I appreciate everything that you and your company does.